Namaskara. This is the last in the series of the participles videos. This is a negative verbal participle. Okay, as usual, I've struck off all the remaining five and the last one. He left without doing his work. So this is without. It's equivalent to this negative verbal participle is equivalent to the English word without. Okay, as usual, we have 15 verbs. Since this is a negative verbal participle, it does not have any irregular verbs. All of them are regular. He left home without doing his work. ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದೆ. Okay. ಮನೆ ಹೋದ. Then he slept without watching the news. ಅವನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡದೆ ಮಲಗಿದ. Okay. Without telling the story, she walked away. ಅವಳು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳದೆ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಳು. Okay. ಹೇಳದೆ, ನೋಡದೆ, ಮಾಡದೆ is basically your negative verbal participle. Without asking question, he sat down. ಅವನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ. Without informing the news, he left the house. ಅವರು ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಸದೆ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು. Without showing the book, he went inside. ಅವನು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೋರಿಸದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ. ತೋರಿಸದೆ, ತಿಳಿಸದೆ, ಕೇಳದೆ. Without sending the parcel, he left the office. ಅವನು ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಕಳಿಸದೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Without being present in the meeting, the people went home. Meeting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರದೆ ಜನರು ಮನೆ ಹೋದರು. ಇರದೆ, without being there. Without going to the temple, we prayed. ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಹೋಗದೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು or ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ is spoken Kannada. ಮಾಡಿದೆವು is written Kannada. Without coming home, the boy ran away. ಹುಡುಗ ಮನೆ ಬರದೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋದ. ಓಡಿ ಹೋದ means ran away. ಓಡು is to run. ಹೋಗು is to go and run away. Without bringing the flower, he will not come home. ಅವರು ಹೂಗಳು ತರದೆ ಮನೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ತರದೆ, ತರು is to bring, ತರದೆ. Without bringing, he will not come. So it can be used in this manner also. Without doing this work, I will not go home. ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So you can use it like that. Just like how we use without in English. Without taking medicine, he became better. ಅವರು ಔಷಧಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ವಾಸಿಯಾದ. Without meeting me, he went to eat. ಅವನು ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕದೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ. Without holding the umbrella, he walked away. ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಿಡಿಯದೆ ನಡೆದ. So hidi is a e ending verb. You have to add ya to it. ಹಿಡಿಯದೆ. E ending and a ending, you have to add ya before putting de. Okay. ಹಿಡಿಯದೆ. Okay. So this is the last table that we filled up. Madada is negative relative participle. Madade. All you have to do is add they to it. Add a to it. To the negative relative participle. Take the negative relative participle. Add a to it. You will get negative verbal participle. Right? Madade without doing. Nodade without seeing. Helade without telling. Kelade without asking. Tilisade without informing. Torisade without showing. Kalisade without sending. Irade without being. Agade without happening. Hogade without going. Barade without coming. Tarade without bringing. Togollade without taking. Sikkade without meeting. Hidiyade without holding. Okay, so with this, the series on participles is over. I'm planning to make videos about conversation, meaning take small conversations and then translate them sentence by sentence. Okay, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.